Well, good morning. It's Thursday morning. Got a little video going on here. The guys from the electric company have come to bring in the power line from the pole to the meter base there on the side of the house. They're not going to connect the power. They'll cap off the meter base so that they won't be any danger or anything. But we want to get this ditch dug and put in here before we bring gravel in, making our driveway around the side of the house. So that's why we had them to come on in ahead of time. It may be another year before we get the power really connected, but in the meantime the cable's buried underground and the gravel can go on top of it without any problem then. So that's what we're looking at. Just a little short video, let you know we're still pushing forward, working on the caulking there and my ladder up there, still caulking the outside. When it rains, I go inside and I work indoors. When it's not raining and I got electricity, I had to stop because I had to unplug all my equipment so they could dig this ditch. My drop cords were in the way. So anyway, we keep going. Appreciate you guys looking at our videos. Ask you to subscribe to the channel and keep up with us with notifications. Like that button. Appreciate it. A little follow-up video here this morning. Probably do another one or two while we're putting this wire on the ground. These guys done come in here and buried that conduit, getting ready to pull the entrance cable through it. It's them over there working at the light pole, getting the conduit attached over there. Boy, I really wasn't expecting a ditch this big. I was thinking they might dig it with a ditch witch. I didn't know they was going to bring in a excavator and dig a big old trench, but I guess it is what it is. So anyhow, continue to take some videos and share them with you. If you like it, and do the like button and subscribe, and sure be glad to have you on At Home with Glenda. Bye bye.